Hey everybody, Nakul here from SKILLSPTE Academic. Well, I'm back with day 11 of the video series called day 1 to day 30, reading fill in the blanks with Nakul. I really hope you've solved all the previous ones. If not yet solved, kindly look into the description, all the links have been shared. Well, if you're looking for an online course for PTE, NATI or IELTS, you can check the information in the description. We've shared the Gmail ID, or you can send us a message to our WhatsApp any point of time. We will do the needful. So without wasting any time, let's start with day 11. Today I've got a simple drag and drop fill in the blanks. Let's see if you can get 5 to 5. I really hope you guys have solved the question. It's a simple one, but I will explain you, throw some light on where exactly people would go wrong. The video games that foster creative freedom can increase something, that's a noun, can increase creativity, addiction, freedom. A lot many things would go, but for the fact that you have read the complete paragraph, you should know where the evidence lie. Evidence lies here. Those given the dash to play the game without instruction were most creative. Getting it? Video games that foster creative freedom can increase creativity. If you've got addiction or freedom, that you don't have much patience to look at the evidence. The answer for the first one lies in the fifth line. That's why fill in the blank reading is difficult. The dash study compared, study is a noun, the great study, the right study, the unique study, experimental study. A lot of words fit in, so I'm going to leave it empty. The dash study compared the effect of playing Minecraft with or without instruction to watching a TV show or playing a race car video game. Those given the, after the noun should come, those given the right to play without instruction. They're not giving you the right to play. Give it a thought. They're giving you the freedom to play without instruction. They're not coming there and telling you should play like this. No. They're just giving you the game and asking you play whatever, do whatever you want. It's a liberty, it's freedom, not the right. Getting it? Though they both fit in, but in a close proximity, if you look at it, freedom is actually the correct answer. So next one is Minecraft is like a virtual Lego world, the game which has after has verb in the third form. Eat, ate, eaten. That third form should come. Crave, craved, craved. Sell, sold, sold. The game has sold more than 100 million copies. Simple one. It has sold. It has been sold. The game has sold 100 million copies. Allows players to explore the dash world. Read the next set of words. Explore some different world and create anything they can imagine. So it has to be explore unique world, because they're creating the way they imagine. It's very unique. Getting it? So second one, the dash study compared the effect. The right study, experimental study. They're doing an experiment, so obviously experimental makes sense. It's not a difficult one. You could have solved this. So here, if you have written unique study, here again, some other blank you would have used. For one mistake, two marks gone. So whenever you have a doubt, leave it empty. Calm down, finish it off, and then go up. This is called bottom up approach. From the bottom, you would go to the top. So first one is creativity, the experimental study, given the freedom, not right. It's not right. That force of creative freedom is also one of the clues, which has sold, explore, unique world. So don't think this is a very difficult one. It's something very easy. If easy ones, you're making mistakes. Think about difficult ones, definitely you would make mistakes. So 79 plus may not be a possibility. For easy ones, you have to get 5 out of 5, no matter what. Any doubts on the explanation I gave, kindly do comment in the comment section along with the marks you've got. So based on that, tomorrow I'm going to come back with the next sort of video, day 12. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.